All right, so to start off, we have an admin dashboard where you can create the experiment run, how many people you want in it, what time limit you want, etc. And then you get codes for the participants to log in. Everyone has an avatar. So we're gonna do Taylor, and we're gonna put in her code here, and then it takes you to the survey. So you do the pre-survey, and then get redirected to the tool, where it takes you through the instructions walkthrough, going through each element of the tool, which we will cover as we watch the experiment happen. So then, since you need everyone to start at the same time, you wait for the rest of the participants to also complete the instructions, and after that has occurred, then you are let into the task. You can see that flashing on the left-hand screen. You can refer back to the instructions if you need, and then there are both your teams as well, so you can switch back and forth between those. In your briefing and notes box there, you can see the overall instructions, your specific one, and then the clues that have been divided among you, which ones you have. And so then you can see the team messaging panel where you can send messages to your teammates. So here Taylor is sending the clues that they have been given. And then you can see at the top there's the team members as well, so you can see who is in your group and what everyone's role is. Then we see some other team members send theirs, and you can react to the messages as well. If we switch over to the other group, we can see some messages come through here as well. So Morgan is sending their clues, and then Taylor is sending theirs as well. You can see the AI norm reflected next to the AI assistant, and that it's color-coded there as well. And participants are instructed to follow that. So here, Taylor is in two teams that are both pro-AI, but it could be either neutral or anti-AI as well, and it would be gray or red accordingly. Here, Taylor is using the AI, and then in the top corner is a timer that counts down during the experiment, so they know how much time they have left. And they can take notes on the in the notes section or on scratch paper. And you can see switching back between the clues, there's been some messages in the other one. And you can see up in the top right, there is a submit answer box, and you can select your answer. Once everyone has checked the check mark for submit answer, then it says the team has completed the task like it did there. Once both teams have completed, then it takes you to the post survey where it asks questions overall, as well as questions specific to the museum and expedition tasks separately.